In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change year-end on QuickBooks Online. If you need to update the fiscal year setting in QuickBooks Online, this is a very simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. This setting is important because it helps QuickBooks organize your financial reporting around the correct year-end period for your business. So, if your company does not follow the standard calendar year, this is where you can make that adjustment. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon because this is where many of your company settings are stored. Once the menu opens, select Account and Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your QuickBooks company, where you can manage different parts of your account, including billing, expenses, sales, and accounting preferences. From there, go to the Advanced tab. This section contains more detailed configuration options, including the accounting settings that control how your books are structured. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct tab before moving on. Next, look for the Accounting section and click Edit. This will open the accounting preferences so you can make changes to the fiscal year information. In this area, you'll find the setting called First Month of Fiscal Year. This drop-down lets you choose the month your fiscal year begins, which determines your year-end in QuickBooks. Select the correct first month of your fiscal year from the drop-down menu. For example, if your fiscal year starts in July, choose July. QuickBooks will then use that setting to align your reports and accounting periods accordingly. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your financial records accurate and consistent. After updating the drop-down, click Save to apply the change. Then click Done to close the settings window. And that's it. You've successfully changed the year-end setting in QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, after making this update, it's a good idea to review your financial reports to make sure everything reflects the correct fiscal period. This helps confirm that your settings are now aligned with your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.